Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to deep dive into the topic MySQL Joins. So to understand that, we are creating two tables named as artists and the songs they have recorded. To create these two tables in database named as collection, refer to the part 2 of the series where we have told how you can create database and how you can insert values into a table. Now let's talk about why we use join command. A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on the related columns between them. So let's talk about inner join with the example of this Venn diagram. Table A and B, it returns only the rows that have matching values. Let's perform inner join on workbench. We are accessing the database collection. So we have two tables under this database and we can see artist ID can be treated as primary key because this column is common in both the tables. So we can treat it as primary key. Let's jump onto the command. We were easily able to perform inner join with the help of primary key, where we have fetched the song title, artist name with it. So this is how inner join works. Now let's talk about left join. Here we can see another Venn diagram for left join. This represents all the area of circle A plus the overlapping section of circle A and B, which is their intersection. Let's perform it on workbench. So here we got a powerful SQL function, Coalesce, that helps you handle null values. Like here we can see, we are just assigning the song titles with null value to no song recorded. Now executing the correct query, this will return all the artists, and if they have no songs, we still see their names with a placeholder. So this is what left join does. Basically it favors the left table. Also the coalesce function, it replaces the null value with a set default value. Like here we set it no songs recorded. Now we are going to talk about right join. It returns all the rows from the right table, that is circle B, and the matching rows from the left table, that is circle A. If there is no match from the right table to the left, the columns from the left table will show null value. Let's perform the code. So here, right join returns all the songs, even if we don't know the artist name. There is a song called Ho Na Ho, which is in songs table, but it is not having any particular artist name associated with it. So with the help of coalesce function, we have replaced null value with non-artist. Talking about full join, MySQL doesn't support full join natively, but we can combine left join and right join using union to get a full join. Both circle A and B are entirely shaded, including their overlap. Let's jump to the code. Now select the query and click on execute. A full join returns all the rows when there is a match in either left table or right table. If a row in a table doesn't have a match in other table, the unmatched column will show null. Thanks for watching. Keep learning SQL in 2025. Do like, share and subscribe, and do comment your suggestions below.